Well, welcome. For today's project, we're going to make this model of the states of matter, and we are going to reinforce what we already know about this topic, because this is a topic that we learned since we were in second grade, third grade, and this is like the reinforcement of the information about the molecules of the matter. As you know, the base or the basic states of matter are these three, and of course we already know that the fourth state of matter is plasma. But today we're going to work on bases for solid, liquid, and gas. And for this project, I know that I ask you a specific measures of color paper. For example, I ask you green paper, that is this one. I ask for the list of materials. I ask 4 stripes of 22 by 12 centimeters, a rectangle, and we are only going to use one. And I'm going to show you how to make the measures to make this with green. Also, I ask you 1 stripe or one rectangle of blue paper of 22 by 3 centimeters. Those are the measures. And one more stripe of paper or rectangle of paper that is 11 centimeters times 3 centimeters, and that will be the red color, the red paper. I also ask you 1 stripe of 24 centimeters times 4 centimeters of white paper, and that is just for the letters or for the titles. Yeah, as you can see here, you can cut, or if you don't want to use white paper, well, you can only write down with a marker these titles: states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, and the outline of the containers, because this is a 9 times 9 or 9 by 9 centimeters square. This is kind of the same height, 9 centimeters, but you need to draw and cut in a shape of a glass. And this is kind of the same height, 9 centimeters, but you need to make the shape of a balloon. And this is why we are using white paper. The cardboard that I ask you from a cereal box is for the base of this model, and the orange paper is for the background. Okay, so you can do that later. I'm only going to tell you what to do with, for example, with the green paper. Remember, I'm gonna put this here in a moment, for a moment. And remember, we need to make this kind, this is the blue, we need to make this kind of tube of paper, and these lines are 1 centimeter of measure. As you can see, it's like with pencil, mark with pencil, but this is the way you need to do this. From the from the green paper, you're gonna get 4, actually 8 tubes like this, but you need to take measures with a ruler and mark with a pencil, and then cut and paste them using the pencil actually, and the glue stick. So let me tell you how. The rest you can make them later, because this is like pasting them takes time. So time that we don't have for the class, but you can always watch the video here in our platform, or watch it here in YouTube. So take the rectangle in this position, take your ruler and mark from from left to right, make marks of 1 centimeter, just the mark. Every centimeter make a mark, centimeter, 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 and make only the marks. Okay, and you're gonna get 22 centimeters. at the end of the rectangle, or the height of the rectangle, or the length. It depends on the point of view that you're using the rectangle. But anyway, you're gonna get 22 centimeters here. Mark each of the centimeters, just the mark. Go to the bottom and do the same. Mark the centimeters, just mark. Make a dot or make a small line each centimeter. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and each centimeter should have a mark with your pencil. Alright? Okay, turn it around in the vertical position, and then from 0 to, or to, from left to right, you have 0, you have 12 centimeters. Well, here mark only at 3, or each 3 centimeters. Every 3 centimeters make a mark. So 1, 2, 3, mark. And then on 6 make another mark, and 9 make another mark. At the top, at the bottom, the same. Put the ruler at the bottom. From left to right, you have 12 centimeters. Mark every 3 centimeters. Make a mark. 3, 6, and 9. So you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4 stripes of paper. So first, let's make the lines like this. Take the reference of the marks, place the ruler, yeah, and make a straight line. You see? Next is the same. Is here and here. Reference the marks, put the ruler, and make a line. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rectangles, or 4 stripes of paper. Then use the marks as reference to make lines on every centimeter. It's like here, here, go straight, or as straight as possible. Here, take the dots as reference to make a straight line. Here, also here, here, always take the reference where the marks are, so you can get a straight line. Okay. Here. 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 Oops. There. Here. 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 I'm almost finished. And the last one. There. See? Okay. Now, remember that you have 22 centimeters. Well, make a thick line or a thick mark at 11 centimeters, because this is half of the paper. have the rectangle, make a hard line or thick line at 11, so you can remember where is it, because you're gonna cut first half and then this way. So cut at 11 centimeters. You can put away the ruler. Cut by 11 centimeters or half the rectangle like this, and then cut like this. So I'm going to cut only one just to show you how to, I insist, make the tube of paper. Yep. So I'm gonna cut this. One, and let's cut two. Oh, well, let's cut them all. Obviously, you're gonna cut all of them. Okay, this, and this. So you're gonna get 8 stripes of the same, or 8 rectangles. But because we don't have time, I'm going only to use 2 of this. Okay, you need to cut all of them, and you need to cut the rectangle that is from the blue color and the red one too. So before you cut, you need a pencil long enough or longer than 11 centimeters, and check this out. You need to do this. Is like first fold, not like pushing. It's like fold to give the shape of a cylinder, like this. Yep. And the other way too. It's like fold but not push. It's only to give kind of the cylinder shape. And then use a pencil, use it as you are wrapping around the pencil the paper, yeah, and then take the glue stick and put some glue stick on the edge of the paper so you can paste it when wrapping around the pencil like this. Put some glue here and then wrap around the pencil, but try to get the lines straight as possible, yeah, because we need those stripes. I'm gonna show you why. So try to use the pencil and try to get the lines straight as possible, yeah, for your paper tube, and push against the pencil, and there, take it out, and you have your paper tube. So you're gonna need 8 of this from green color, yeah. You want me to do another? Yeah, it's the same. Look, is first fold a little as a cylinder, fold a little the other way too, fold a little, just to give the shape of a curve or a cylinder as you are like rolling to get a paper tube. But it's easier if you use a pencil, put glue on the edge like this, yep, and then wrap around the pencil and try to get the lines straight, and that will be your paper tube. Okay, push to paste, try to get the lines straight, and there you go. Okay, so I have another paper tube. Okay, what is the next step for the paper tubes? Cut, and you're gonna cut following the lines on each and every centimeter here, So you're gonna get something like this. Look, it's like cut. Be careful not to lose them. Cut every centimeter, and you're gonna get a very small, tiny paper cylinders. 1 centimeter cylinder. Okay. So how many of them are you gonna get using math? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see? So if you multiply, you're gonna get 88 of these green cylinders, or any color that you want, but the colors should be different. I'm choosing green, I'm choosing blue, and I'm choosing red, but you can choose any color, but they should be different. Okay? And then after you cut all the 88 green cylinders, go with the blue and do the same. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually, you can get you're gonna get 2 blue tubes, and you're only gonna use 1 because you only need 8. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10, 11 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I used 10. Maybe I lose 1. You can use the 11th of the blue or 10, but you need to paste them kind of separately. Remember, molecules, let me put this away. Molecules, when the matter is solid, all the molecules are together, compacted. That's why this is solid. When you check the molecules in liquids, the molecules are dispersed a little. Yeah, disperse. So that's why density is different than density in solid, because of the molecules. And when you go and check the molecules in gas, all the molecules are dispersed. Yeah, and that's why this is lighter than liquid and solid. So that is why we understand why the matter has 3 different states. So when you paste the background and the titles, the square, remember the square is 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. This height is 9 centimeters and this height is 9 centimeters. When you finish putting this, then you need to put glue with your glue stick like this. For this is like use a glue stick and make a line like this, and you're gonna get 3 lines of cylinders. So put the glue and then one by one paste them together. It's so simple. It's just put it, hold it like this, and push against the glue inside. Okay, and put them together. So you're gonna get 3 lines, and then put some more glue stick, and then get another 3 lines, and on and on and on until you finish all the green molecules of the solid. Then with the blue, cut them, the 11 centimeters, cut them, and those cylinders is the same. Put some glue here, yeah, and then put the cylinders and push them, and maybe you can use a fan or blow, but push, not too hard. Push to paste, and they will dry easily. And then the same with the red tube. Cut it, and then is disperse the molecules. Okay, actually you can use only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so they can be more dispersed. Okay, and well, this is it. This is a project, and you can put it on your wall, show it to your parents, show it to your grandparents, but you can put it on a wall as decoration on your bedroom. So this is it. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.